Okay, so, kind of ran into a little dilemma with cheese and whatnot and so forth. Okay, so, really not sure about what to do with this. And maybe you guys can help me. I kind of drilled too many holes in it. And now I'm scared that I, perhaps, although in other ways, shit. I have pretty much just fucked it over. And I'm not sure. So, can you, what? What? Oh, is this thing recording? I don't know, I'm fucking flipping it all around. Okay, sorry. Okay, so anyways, so this is what's going on. It sort of seems like it's getting split right here. I want to put those things on. These things. I want to put those things on. Not sure if that's gonna hold. I'm pretty sure it will, but then that's the top of it. See it? That's the top of it. So it's like that. Okay, and then you're definitely bolted down there, but not to those pieces of wood. These were just my sliders. But I got it all looking all gnarly here. And I need help. Help me with cheese. Please.